Ready? Everyone, fly! Fly!
We gotta make it a little closer here. See, these birds just want to come in. Throw it over.
Ready? You need to fly if you want to get
Look, toss it close.
fly. That's called a bone. You need to throw a lot of bread at a bird and then they'll catch it.
No, catch it? Watch this. I'm going to throw it on your head. And they're going to catch it right off your head. Here, watch this. Watch this.
I almost got it.
Here, let me get What? Here, we're going to put this on your head like that. And then the bird will come and get off your head.
Ready. See?
Yeah?
Hey, guys, fly. Ready? Set. Fly. 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 And then I'll throw this big ball at you so you can eat this.
Is it working?
Can you make them fly?
Here, just toss it like this. Go like this. See, they flew there.
No, they need to always be in the sky. Ready?
Here, watch this. Watch this. I'm going to make them all fly over here. How's that?
Oh. Ready for the bomb? The biggest bomb of all.
Okay, you going to throw that up to them?
Hey, they need to fly.
We need to throw it up there so that they can fly.
No, they already need to be flying. I didn't see anything.
Okay, now let's take the rest of the bread. Let's feed some turtles too. You want to feed some tortugas?
Okay, and let's feed the birds.
Okay. Okay.
You got this. Come in first, bud. You have your bread. Feed some turtles too. Ready? Oh, I'm sticking his head out. Oh man, they're fighting over it. Okay, we'll give you some and the turtles. Okay, you feed the birds and I'll feed the turtles.
Oh, is that the way it's going to work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you see any turtles out there? Well, I see a turtle.
Yeah, it's coming close to us.
It's coming close?
Yeah, but it sticks his head back.
Okay. Well, just keep an eye out for it, because they'll be coming up here for sure, because they're hungry.
For my bread. You feed the birds. Well, I feed the turtles. I never been close to one.
A turtle?
Yeah, but once.
There's a bunch of them out there.
Ah! Birds, stop scaring them away. We're trying to feed them. I see a turtle. Dad, keep one eye out.
One eye out for what?
So you can look for a turtle.
A tortuga.
one.
The turtle? There's
No,
a...
no, the bird. Oh, man. See? I can walk from this. I'm walking. Look at me, I'm walking.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, it's coming.
Is it coming in closer?
See?
Oh, there it is. That's right. They're all coming in closer.
3 of them.
3 of them? 4. There's 4. There's 2 over here.
5. No, 6.
There's a bunch of them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, 7 actually.
Ooh, 7?
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
One is coming.
Ooh, that's a... Look at the size of that one, too. That's huge. Those are
Yeah.
some of the biggest turtles I've ever seen.
Dad, look at me.
I know.
That's how I got over there. I was like, the turtle's coming. I repeat, he's coming in over
And he's a big one, too. He's not a little one. There's some big turtles. There's a big one over there.
It's starting to attack.
A grande tortuga. Can you say that? Grande tortuga?
What? A tortuga.
That's one of those little animals like that.
Oh, it's coming in. See? It's coming in.
It is?
Yeah,
We're going to feed it?
it was right there.
Oh, there it is. Right. Oh, look at the size of that one. That's a big, big, big one.
Hey, there's some bread. He's coming in my way. He's coming in my way.
Those turtles are going to have to fight for it.